There is another way to stay more organized in SketchUp is by using SketchUp layer tools. So under the default tray you can see there is a layer, and right now we have only layer 0, that is our default layer. If you know AutoCAD, we use layers to differentiate between the different things that we have. So I will make this model more and organized through layers. You will see in this video. So I want to make these sidewalks different to other, and I want to make a layer of these sidewalks. What I will do, I will add layer and I will name it sidewalk, and I'll enter. And when I will go into this, when you right click it, there is entity information, and in this thing you can see there is two solid groups that I selected, and we have something about it. So it depicts these two groups are in layer 0, and similar information regarding that. So I'll make these layer into sidewalk. So what I have recently done, I have created moved these two groups from sidewalks to from layer 0 to sidewalk. So when I switch it off, you can see this layer, you can see these layer now hidden, and if I switch it on, you can see it's back. And even this road, I want to create new layer of road, and I will go and directly here from here I will move it, and you can see now it has been moved to road, and I will switch it off, it's in road. Similarly, what I will do, I will make layer of trees, smaller plants, as well as the glass facade. So you'll see how it will help me out. So I will make large tree, plants, glass facade, and what else I can make of, there is a water top surface, so I will make a layer of water surface. Okay, so I have multiple layers now. So till road we have created we have assigned these layers. Now I have to assign these large trees into large tree layer, and thereafter that I have to select these plants that are outside here, and even these plants. What I'm doing here is by clicking control, I have selecting multiple instances, and I'll select plant, and after plant I have to select glass facade. So what I will do, I'll directly select glass here, here and here, and I will make it glass facade, and there is water surface. Okay, so now you can see I have designated the layers to multiple objects. I have sidewalks, I have roads, I have large trees, I have plants, I have glass facade which is required or not required, and even the water surface, you can see. So this is how it helps me. Even there is another option. If you want to move a content of a layer to a different layer, there is very simple. If I want to make these all trees into this plant layer, if I want to move it, so what I will go is just directly select these things, And under the entity information, it is asking, it's telling me about a layer which is large tree, and if I go and select plants, now this layer, this contents has been transferred into plants. You can see if I switch it off, all trees or green materials has been forward to compiled to a group. And there is another thing. Right now we have layer 0 which is editable, and if I click here, now the active layer is road layer, and if I try to switch it off, you can see it's showing me a error, you can't hide the current layer. And because this is the layer that I am working right now at the moment, and whatever I will design in this layer, it will be present layer, current layer. So when I go to layer 0 and hide it, whatever I have created in that current layer, it will hide or also along with it. So this is the thing I needed to share. Yeah, this is the pretty much in this layer options. You have to use these, because when you go into more detailed modeling, you have to use more layers, because if you these trees are less heavy at this particular moment. Once you make more detailed modeling, there are more complex objects that you might be using in your modeling, and your model will be you will be using those model very slowly. So to increase your efficiency and the faster modeling skills, you have to make layers, switch it off whenever it is required, or switch it on whenever it is required, and it will help you to get more details of your models, and you can do more inner thing while using layer. So yeah, it's giving me opportunity to more work into more details after switching the unnecessary layers, switching off the unnecessary layers. And yeah, this is the pretty much try to use layers as your primary thing to model in SketchUp, and once you get more better in it, you will find it really helpful for you to create a very heavy file even within a very short fraction of time. So that's it for today. Thank you.